Okay, we got unboxing still. This is about the organ thing. So, how can I help this thing? Oh, I know there's tape. Oh. I used to not be allowed to use scissors when they're sharp, but now I'm allowed because I'm learning how to use them. I'm done learning, so I can know that's okay. I took off the tape, so let's get this out. Oh, let's see this. Oh, that's always that thing. I want to throw that thing in the trash. You know what I'm talking about? This thing. That's what I want to throw in the trash. Okay. Here's the organ. Oh, the larger the smaller sections is just sticking out. Okay, let's get this thing out. Now we want to open it out. Select the rib cage right there. And our stomach. Our skin is the most important organ of our body. Did you guys know that? Because our whole body. This is a big rose because it's sticky. Yeah. We all work together to keep you healthy. The best thing that you could do is just watch your there's the organ song. You know, you learn about the organs. We come tonight. We all work together to keep you healthy and clean. The best thing that you could do is just walk for you. Oh, here's the rib cage. Let me get that thing out. Rib cage, come out of this thing. Oh, there's the cool rib cage that we need. Without the rib cage, you guys know that the organ will not be protected. Yeah. You know how I let this thing out. Oh, the large intestine is above our bladder. Our bladder is the organ that we need. In our liver, we need that organ forever. We need it because it puts all the bad things. It throws it away, turns it to water, and all the good things. It does good stuff. Okay. Let's learn about the bones. I thought that there's a book inside. And here's the rib cage still put in. Bone, which is right here. Above our stomach. So let's open this thing up. I know how to open it. I don't need help on this because I opened one of these types of box before. Oh, yeah. Let me see what Oh, here's the pouring for it. Oh, that one just fell. It's okay because they're squishy, so that thing was bad. I gotta get that thing. Oh, where did that organ go? Oh, no. Oh, there it is. This is like a heart. This is the stomach. Or our important lungs to help us breathe. Look, this thing is behind. Look. This is our heart. This is our liver. Let me get that thing out of that. And this is our bladder and our kidneys. Get this bladder and kidneys off. One of the kidneys. The kidneys are in the bladder important organ. These organs are important because the kidneys produce stuff. Produce and this makes you go pee, remove the blood, antitoxin, and here's the kidneys. 1, 2. There's only one bladder, so these kidneys produce acid, kind of like stomach acid, which is this is the stomach, and then produce the acid all the way to the bladder, helps you, and then the bladder sends sensors to your brain. Let me get this thing out. Okay. Y'all work together to keep you healthy and clean. The best thing that could this was for you. This is this for the rib cage. Yeah, remove it from the. Ooh, I think that's a bone that fell. Let me go get that bone. I'll see you. This can a bone fell. Yeah. This is the bone that goes here. This for your thing for your thing for the move. Look, guys. Want to learn about what organ do you want to learn about? Tell me in the comments then. You learn about it. And this is the heart, which is in back of the lungs, which is right here. That's how you see it, because it's in back of the lungs. Did you know that you have two hearts? Actually, you have only one heart when you're nothing, and when you have two hearts whenever when you're twins stuck together. And here's another one and you have two hearts when you have surgery on your own heart. Cool, right? So, what are we waiting for? Here's our organ body. Here, oh, that bone fell again. We have the rib cage ready, so that doesn't need, oh, we'll send him this. Okay, out. Yeah, I'm fine. There. This is the biggest chair ever. Oh, here's the large intestine and the small intestine. The small intestine is what's just in the middle of the large intestines. Oh, yeah, upside down. And more like upside down is because in the Kids Learning 2 video, you see the large intestine, small intestine like this, but they're actually like that for you go to restroom. Oh, the brain is in there. Oh, let me get all the organs out. Bones, I mean. Yeah, that's better. Oh, this one is the one for the oh my god. I need to get this thing out. Guys, subscribe and comment if you want me to do another video. In the comments, I'll tell you what each organ does today. Here, the first one, the point of the lungs. The lungs produce, what is it called again? Produce oxygen and take away carbon dioxide. Like, look, here's what it does when it's producing oxygen, big, and then when it's producing carbon dioxide out, it goes like this. It's smaller. Even the heart does that too, but instead of producing oxygen, it produces carbon. It doesn't produce carbon dioxide. Instead of it produces blood. It pumps all the blood. It goes big and then small. Okay? Here's more stuff about the lungs. That the lungs is actually what's right here. Right here. Protected by the rib cage. See that? That's what the rib cage is a little bit. So all the organs are inside the rib cage. And here's the rib. And which is the rib cage is called the produced organ of most people call it the produced organ. Most people call it the produced bone because it produced the organ. All the organs is inside the rib cage. Watch. All of this is inside the rib cage. The bladder is a little bit not in the rib cage. The lowest one, which is right here. Here. So you can do potty. And which is, this is our esophagus. So look, let me tell you, where's the stomach or this the stomach? The esophagus, the stomach, put all the food inside the stomach before you could eat. So look, see, this is the esophagus in the stomach. So these things to produce food. So look. Aha. What is this organ called? What is this called? Oops, the lungs. The liver. Here's the liver. Listen. Here it is. The lungs. Which is almost the biggest organ, but the skin is the biggest organ in the whole entire body. And you know what's the largest bones? Here they are. This one. I heard that there's 3 in this one. And here's the smallest bone. So, how do I get the brain out? Just go up, keep this out. I don't know what this bone is called. We all know this. Subscribe in the comments for you to tell me what is this bone called. Subscribe, like, and tell me in the comments. So think about what bone is that called. Is it called the bladder bone? Cause look, or the kidneys bone? Cause look. Let me show you how it's produced. How it's put the bladder and the kidneys. Here's the bladder, and here is the kidneys. The kidneys. Could you get all the bones out for me? But this could not sit. Oh, there. We need this for instead. That's why we don't need it in the trash can. I wanted this to go in the trash can. I'm such a weird. This kidding, guys. I'm the best YouTuber ever. Have you seen that I have the most videos? Subscribe this to see how much views I have. Oh, these are tweezers to pick out the organs. Why does this open? Make this thing open. It's stuck forever? This can never open up. Oh, here it is. We are the human organ. Complete about ourselves. We have our own videos, but here we come tonight. We all work together to keep you healthy and clean. The best thing that you could do is just watch what you eat. Just watch what you eat. Yeah, there you go. There you are. Yay! Help me. Help me take out all these bones. Help me. Okay, we got. Let me get these up to the neck. How do I get this thing out? Let me get the arm. Make this produce like the rib cage. The arm. Come on out, little muscle. The strongest muscle, which is right here. That's the strongest muscle. So, I heard that you could take out the skin. We could take a piece out of the skin. That's what I heard. So let's test it out, right? Okay, guys. This is gonna look the same, but this all spread it out. Everything's cut it out. Let's get this thing out. How do you open this thing up? It's not gonna be broken. Yeah, it's not gonna be broken. Okay.
Go.
Okay. Oh, look, you also have the skin bone. Okay. What is this one called? Subscribe in the comments. This is where the brain was being for the whole time. I'm your brain. Ew. The arm. I'm your brain. Part of the central nervous system. I created in your hand whenever you want to learn to listen the boss of all the functions in your body. I weigh about 3 pounds when I'm the leader of the party. The cerebrum controls your muscles and your thinking. It also stores your memories without you will struggle. The foot. I forgot the foot. What is the other foot? These are here. These things are here. Why are they not? It's here, here, or here. Right. Or, let's get the last one out. Come on, Mrs. Moon or Mr. Come on, little guy. Oh, yeah. Oh, disgusting. Let's put the skin there. Put the other skin. Or just test it. Here are all the bones. Where's the mat? Oh. This one is the right foot though? This thing goes here, right? What is this thing? I'm not seeing that. This muscle seeing that. I go here. You go here, little buddy. Oh, good, little good. Your esophagus goes into your neck. Your esophagus, when you eat, it goes down your esophagus. And then where? To your stomach. It's not right there. That's where the heart goes. It's not right there. That's another heart. It's not right there again. Okay. In the middle. Okay, we got the esophagus out. Lungs. Which is one in the left and one in the right. I thought it was like that.
And then
The heart goes in the middle. Yeah, there you go, heart. You go in the middle. Beep. Is this where the stomach goes?
Like that?
Bladder goes in the bottom. The kidneys in the other bladder. There's 2 bladders. Why? Oh, I didn't. Before you can go down in the potty. Liver goes here. Where does it go? I'm right back. The large intestines.
The hat container. It's turkey.
The rib cage. Where does this thing go? It goes in those holes, right? It's because the head fell off. Silly me, why am I so weird? I thought it was like taste the stomach.
fix it. Put it inside the stomach. The large intestine. The large intestine, put it inside like that.
Get in there.
Like that. There you go.
You get in there. Little guy. There. Half a raisin. Yeah. From stick out. Okay, good. But that's new.